Now, giant pumps wear deep underground at a plant in Singapore that helps transform sewage into water so clean it is fit for human consumption while reducing ocean pollution. The tiny island nation has little in the way of natural water sources and has long had to rely principally on supplies from neighboring Malaysia. Take a look.
So Singapore lacks natural resources and is limited in space, which is why we are always looking for ways to explore water sources and stretch our water supplies. Our water management strategy consists of 3 parts. First is collect every drop of water. 2, reuse endlessly. And thirdly is to turn seawater into drinking water, which is desalination. So at the new water factories, it has 3 main treatment processes. One is microfiltrations and nanofiltrations, where the water will pass through the membrane filtrations and remove basically the microscopic particles and bacteria. Then it continues to be treated by reverse osmosis process, where we make use of semi-permeable membranes to remove contaminants like virus. And the third step is the ultraviolet disinfection system, which is the added various safety measures to ensure the water quality of our new water. So our new water has passed more than 150,000 scientific tests, and it's well within the World Health Organization's guidelines for drinking water quality, as well as US EPA drinking water standards. Now, we also use new water to top up our reservoir, and when it blends with raw water, we send it to our water treatment plants for further treatment before it's piped to households and industries.
Now, parts of the facility in land-scarce Singapore are underground, some as deep as 25 stories, and it's fed by wastewater that flows through the massive 48-kilometer tunnel linked to sewers. Now, sewage that arrives at the plant undergoes an initial filtering process before powerful pumps send it flowing to facilities above ground for further treatment. There, the treated water is further cleansed with impurities like bacteria and viruses removed through advanced filtration processes and disinfected with ultraviolet rays. The end product, dubbed new water, is mainly used in microchip manufacturing plants, which are ubiquitous in the city-state and require high-quality water. And for cooling systems in buildings, recycled wastewater can now meet 40% of Singapore's water demand, a figure that is expected to rise to 55% by 2060, according to the country's water agency. While most is used for industrial purposes, some of it is added to drinking water supplies in reservoirs in the city-state of 5.7 million people. And the system helps reduce maritime pollution, as only a small amount of the treated water is discharged into the sea. This is a contrast to most other countries. 80% of the world's wastewater flows back into the ecosystem without being treated or reused, according to United Nations estimates.